In this video, I'll show you how you can put multiple ads on one YouTube video. So a quick disclaimer, before you can actually do this, you want to make sure to be monetized, of course, and you also need to make a video that's longer than 10 minutes, okay? So that's exactly what I'm going to show you right now. So if you go to a video that's less than 10 minutes long, you'll see that there's no way to put multiple ads in the video. If I just click on this video, which is only 1 minute, and I click on monetization, you'll see that there's no option for me to add mid-rolls right here. But if I go to a video that's longer than 10 minutes, I will actually be able to put multiple ads in my video. So step number one is to make sure that your video is longer than 10 minutes. Then you can go into the backend. So click on monetization, scroll down, right there you'll find during video mid-roll. Then you want to click on manage mid-rolls. So click on that, which is what I'll do right now. And here you go. So this is where you can add multiple ads in your video. If I click right there and then click on ad break, that's how you can add multiple ads, in one video. So if this video helps you out, leave a like and then I'll see you in the next one.